What an incredibly spacious roof deck! Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a brand new, modern, corner townhome development for sale located here in Marikina City, Metro Manila. This property has a wide frontage with 3 levels and a beautiful modern design. It also has the following lot and floor areas. From your pedestrian gate, you have a carport area here for 2 vehicles. And here you have your carport area. This can fit 3 vehicles. So you have 1 car here, a second car here, and you can have a 3rd vehicle right here. So this is able to maximize the easement that you need to give for a corner lot so that you have parking here. Okay, and you can also maximize the space if you want to have like a family gathering. This can be a nice patio space as well. And here you have your main entry. Now welcome to your beautiful home. You immediately have an open layout for your living and dining space. A nice feature wall over here where you can also display some items. So this is your living space and you have a large area here for your dining and kitchen area. Dining table right here, and there's a nice additional space right here where you can have some stools, maybe even an artwork right here, a nice nook to entertain guests as well. And you have such an open modern kitchen, lots of storage, and this is where you can have your refrigerator, and you already have your range hood right here. And if you're going to have a large stove or oven right here, we can easily have the developer cut this so that it can fit your oven. Okay? And I like how there's so much natural light flowing through here, through this sliding door. And it leads out to your patio, which can also be your parking area for a 3rd car. And if you view from this side, you can appreciate how the corner positioning of the house maximized the size of the home. So being in a corner lot with one side with a large frontage, this is where the living, dining, and kitchen space was laid out. Yes, you also have a powder room right here, conveniently located beside the living space. Storage was placed underneath the stairs to maximize utility, and you also have your staff room right here. So this is positioned in front of the parking area. That's why you have a window right here. So lots of ventilation, good spacing. You can have a double bunk bed here, and there's a bathroom as well. For my first impressions for this property, it feels so much larger than what the lot area is because of the design. Now let's head on up towards the second level. So the house just finished construction, that's why you still have this protective covering for the stairs. Let's begin right here at the master bedroom. So this is positioned really at the corner of the property. That's why you have so much light. And I love the size. So much storage as well. From this angle, you can appreciate the size of the space. And you also have a nice Juliet balcony right here. This balcony gives you a great vantage point of the positioning of the property and the surrounding street. The entire area is very quiet and residential. And here you have your bathroom. Floor-to-ceiling tiling with a window for ventilation. Nice modern finish. You even have an additional space right here. You can maximize this for additional storage in the future. And here you have your second bedroom. In terms of the size, this is large enough to have a queen-sized bed, or even two small beds, potentially, if you have two small children. Or if you want multiple occupants too. And for the flooring, these are tiles and easy to maintain. Here you have a shared bathroom between the second and third bedrooms. I'm gonna walk in so that you can just have an idea on the size. Very good spacing and even the ceiling height as well. Natural wooden doors also. And here you have your third bedroom. I love the layout of this property in terms of the size of the rooms. This is such a spacious room. You can have this entire area as even additional storage and still have room enough for a large bed on this side. We've now taken a look at 3 bedrooms. Let me just tell you, the best is yet to come for this property. Let's check out the third level. Let's go. Welcome to the third level of this home. And here we have your spacious roof deck entertainment space. So you can see how large the entire space is. It just keeps going. You have an area right here with a trellis, so you can potentially have this covered with a polycarbonate or glass covering in the future after you purchase the home. There's an additional space right here. This is the corner position of the property. This is the exact corner. So you have a vantage point of 2 streets right here. And there's so much room. You could have this as a barbecue area. You could even put like artificial grass here in the future. So the house just finished construction, so there's still some items here for painting and finishing. But this is an incredible space. And here you have a powder room also for guests. And that caps off our quick house tour. More about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram and Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.